It looks like a human nose, but it was actually grown in this North London laboratory. The lab is among several around the world, including in the U.S., working on the futuristic idea of growing custom-made organs using stem cells. A handful of patients have already received the lab-made parts, such as tear ducts, blood vessels, and windpipes. The scientist leading the effort hopes facial parts are next.
They've all been successful and no immune response. So we think, yes, facial organ, using ear and nose is that with our material is the way forward.
Last year, Alexander Sefalian and his team made a nose for a British man who lost his to cancer. Stem cells were taken from the patient's fat and grown in the lab for 2 weeks before being used to cover a nose-shaped scaffold. Later, the nose was implanted into the man's forearm so that skin would grow to cover it.
So during the operation, you could extract the stem cell, incorporate it into the scaffold made from our nanocomposite material, and it could be implanted on the skin.
After 4 to 8 weeks, the nose or other organ is ready to be transplanted. Sefalian's team is currently awaiting regulatory approval to transfer the nose onto the patient's face. The team is also creating other organs, including coronary arteries and ears. Stem cell experts say the work is an important step toward making more complicated organs like a kidney, lungs, or a liver. Kelly Daschle, Associated Press.